Welcome to the YouTube channel Ambo. Aha, the following video is the process of installing a roof. What is the process like? See this video until it's finished, thank you. What do you mean by horses? The arrangement of the framework that functions to support the load of the roof covering and the framework itself and functions to give shape to the roof itself.
A few moments later.
What do you mean by horses? The arrangement of the framework that functions to support the load of the roof covering and the framework itself and functions to give shape to the roof itself.
A few moments later.
After being properly set, such as perpendicular and the height of the horses, the next step is the installation of battens. The size of the batten distance depends on the roof to be installed. After installing the battens, proceed to installing the skirting boards. We can't show an example of installing the lispang because there's no video stock.
A few moments later.
The next step is the roof installation. What's the installation like? Incidentally, the video on the installation of the roof is 6 meters long, with a width of 80 centimeters. In this video we can't show the roof installation until it's finished because the video stock doesn't exist, but here's an example of bolting on the roof that we can show.
Sudah berapa lama Bapak kerja masang atap, Pak?
Years later.
And the final stage of installing the top scaffold. Thank you for listening. Greetings from the Indonesian roofer. Sorry the video is incomplete.